thanks to the Lord. King G Lando Lucky, Sons of David. Give thanks to the Lord for His good. His love endures forever. To Him who sacked greater King, His love endures forever. And kill mighty King, His love endures forever. Sihon King of Morality, His love endures forever. And the Og King of Bashan, His love endures forever. And gave the land as a inheritance, His love endures forever. Help us to His servant King G, His love endures forever. He who remembers on the street, His love endures forever. He who freed us from our enemy, His love endures forever. He who gives food to every creature, His love endures forever. Give thanks to the God of God, His love endures forever. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, man.
God, you love me, your grace, your goodness and mercy upon me endureth forever. God, you love me, your grace, your goodness and mercy upon me endureth forever. Forever.
We serve a great God, Master God. Give thanks to the Lord, to Him who struck down the firstborn of Egypt. His love endures forever, and brought Israel out from among them. His love endures forever, with mighty hand and outstretched arm. His love endures forever. To Him who divided the Red Sea asunder, His love endures forever, and brought Israel through the mindset of it. His love endures forever. But sweep Pharaoh and his army to the Red Sea, His love endures forever. To Him who led His people through the wilderness, His love endures forever. Where others die, we pass through it and we survive. Give thanks to the Lord.
God, you love me, your grace, your goodness and